Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a custom 56 Ford truck, and though it's not a new casting, the paint on this one is new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 56 Ford out of its box. It's a mainline casting and has been produced for a few years now. It has got some basic details like the chrome front head with chrome headlamps, engine which comes out of the hood, chrome interior with a bench seat and a steering wheel, side steps for the sides, and a rear with twin exhaust and what looks like tail lamps which are not detailed. And you can also see there's basically no bed. It's a custom truck. There's a fuel tank and a differential, and finished in matte black. But what's new about this one? The new is the paint of this one. All the design you see. It reads Dia de los Muertos. I don't know Spanish, but it looks like Spanish. It sounds like Spanish actually. And I think it's the Day of the Dead, because I've seen somewhere that they celebrate the Day of the Dead. So it might be that theme, but if you look at that, it's such a cool paint on this one. You can see the skull there with number 25, all the paint going on the side. It's identical on both the sides, so you can see that. But what's also cool, if you look at the wheels, it looks weird from this side, but if I do this, look closely, it's a skull. So white background on the wheel and the black part shows skull. That's cool. Looks really cool. It's the same for all the four wheels. Yeah. So it's a cool little truck with some nice paint on it. And if you like the custom work, I think you should go get one. Otherwise, you can even leave this one if you have another 56 Ford in your collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.